Hello everybody and welcome back. Today I have two Glam summertime DIYs prepared for you. They are simple, affordable, and anyone can recreate them. So if you are interested in seeing what I have created today, just keep on watching. First off, I'll be starting off by laying down parchment paper. And then with my hot glue gun, I'm going to attempt to make some coral decals. Next, I'll be using gray metallic paint. With the way they turned out, so now I'm going to just start to remove them from the parchment paper. My project has a lot of strings and excess paint, so I'm going to just begin to clean that up. I'll be using a craft knife as well as some needle nose crafter scissors. Be using this fishbowl that I already had, and I'm just gonna carefully hot glue on my faux coral. After all that work, I do not want to risk melting this, so I'm gonna definitely be taking my time with this and making sure that I'm only using the tiniest bit of hot glue to glue down my faux coral. Using my pouch. I'm going to also be using these vase fillers that I already had, and you can find them at your local craft supply. I do want to point out here that my pouch does not dry completely clear, so if you want the clear look, use a different type of glue or just dab on the Mod Podge in the specific section that you are targeting so you don't get that, kind of blurry look at the end. Decided to add on these pearls that I already had, and for me, pearls are the perfect way to glam up the traditional coastal look. I'm going to be using these shells, and they are from Dollar Tree. Next, I'll be using this blue craft paint. Using this white sand, and it is from Dollar Tree. I'll also be using about a handful of these diamond vase fillers, and they are from Dollar Tree. For my next DIY, I'll be using this glass vase that I already had. I'll also be using that same blue paint that I used in the previous DIY, and I'm just going to paint the inside of my container. Next, I'll be using my DIY white bling strip that I made for a previous project. Now I'm just going to go in with these bling craft stickers. I'm going to be using these pearl jot stickers from Dollar Tree. Now I'll be going in with these iridescent specialty glitter that I picked up from Michael's. And what I love about these is they look like little tiny pearls. So they're giving me that beachy yet glam vibe that I was going for. Next, I'm going to be using one of these seashells from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to paint it this metallic silver color. Next, I'll be applying fine silver glitter. Alright guys, that is it. That's all that I have for you today. I hope you guys have enjoyed this little video. I have enjoyed making it for you. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, as well as hitting the notification bell. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.